Welcome viewer.
It's ZOS9.
This video tutorial describes fix mouse pointer cursor keeps disappearing in Windows 11, 10. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Open mouse settings, click pointer options, uncheck mouse pointer while typing. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand mice and other pointing devices. Right-click mouse, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager, click and expand mice and other pointing devices. Right-click your mouse, click Uninstall device, click Uninstall, after uninstall restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.